What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. I wasn't planning on making a video today, but I got the opportunity, like probably last month, to do this class. The way it works, you do have to pay for this class. However, the owner of the store basically said, would you be interested in this? And I told him I would love to do that. That'd be awesome. They are letting me join this class just to give my experience from it. This is not sponsored, but because it's a free class, I thought, why not share the experience with you guys? I don't know if this shop I'm going to is on the East Coast. I know it's pretty much everywhere on the West Coast, as far as California and Nevada and some other states go. They are expanding. They also carry exclusively chemical guys. Let's get some of that 2JZ sound in this video real quick. It's music to my ears every single time. Woo-wee! Chemical guys have kind of been my go-to for washing, because I have started to wash my car myself with a pressure washer, which has been very exciting to do. But not only that, I don't have to go anywhere, so it's been really convenient for me to. I can also, with chemical guys, I can kind of choose exactly what I want to use on my car. Alright guys, we made it to Auto Detail Supply. Let's walk in and see what they got today. Right now, and well, we got assigned this hood, and I got my homie behind the camera, which he drives a really sick 240, so if you guys want to call him, it's gonna be right here. We're gonna polish and cut. So let me tell you guys, I kind of got roped into this. This right here is a Rupus. This device right here, this is basically your McLaren, Lamborghini, Rolls Royce, whatever you want to say, polishers. And if you use one of these, you're never going to want to go back. So I'm going to have Chris, he's going to do the same thing. He's going to compare which is better. And we have this tape down the middle to show. So I'm going to do this side, and then I guess he's going to do this side. I haven't told him that yet, but I guess it's going to happen. We're going to use this Waterless Wax. So this doesn't have ceramic in it, so all this is doing is cleaning it off, which you want to clean to be able to get a nice smooth surface. So when you go ahead and polish, you're basically cutting in. So we're cutting, we're not polishing. So the difference between cutting and polishing is cutting, you're actually getting down into the cracks of the clear coat and you're leveling all of it off. Polishing, you're taking what you already did and you're basically bringing it to the surface and bringing the shine to it. So if you cut, polish. And if you just polish, then you can do, we're going to spray it. We're going to use this pad right here. Alright.
I can interject. So, if you are wiping, you actually want to go in a rolling motion, so you're picking it up instead of just wiping it on and just smearing it.
There we go.
Yeah.
So, in that case, for them, how would that look when you're rolling it on?
So, put it on.
Yep.
And then you just kind of scoop.
Picking
And then you
up
see the
all
dirt,
of
yeah.
And yeah, you can definitely see that. Look at that. It's doesn't really look too much, but there's definitely dirt there. So we're gonna do that one more time. And also, make sure get a clean, nice surface on your pad. Don't let it be wet, because if you do, yeah, you're gonna be smeared everywhere. So again, we're picking up. Alright. And then one more time.
Actually, you can flip to a dry side
Okay.
and then buff it. So you see how the streaks are still
Yes.
there? you'll this is a dry side, and
Okay.
then just,
Okay,
and then
cool.
it takes all the rest of that.
All right, so now that it's nice and prepped, I don't have a pad, so on this, you want to put it center. Get it as center as possible. Again, I'm just learning how to do this, so take everything I say with a grain of salt. Alright, so we're gonna have it nice and centered. Hopefully it's centered on. I don't know how I got tricked into using this thing, but let's try this piece out. So something we missed was clay, so we're gonna get on that right now.
So spray the surface.
Up this? Okay.
And it's the first way.
Okay, cool. So if it wasn't wet, then spray it. You want to go up, down, side, side, and
Come on. I'm spraying as I go. And wipe this off.
I know, same pickup method. Oh, you don't have to. Alright guys, we're done. No, just kidding. So we're gonna go ahead and try some C4 clear cut. We're gonna try it out. So we're gonna go ahead and use this conditioner on this. And you just want a few dots. So the rule of thumb, guys, the size of the pad is how many dots you want. So this is a 6-inch pad. So we're gonna go ahead and put 6 dots on this. And then also, guys, make sure your cord's out of the way. So put it on your shoulder.
Press the trigger all the way. Spray it out. That one's so smooth. Show off and do it with one hand.
And I'm gonna walk out because this is my video anymore.
So you want to keep it on there. Like,
Oh, see, in my mind when you keep it on, I feel like it's like down.
so that's what the rotary is. So if you use the rotary, you have to take it off. Yeah, but with this one, you keep it on.
I'm so handicap because I suck. We're using this. Oh, that's way better. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. That's crazy. Guys, it smells amazing. Spray it again.
We've got a badass over here.
lot. You just always go back with your workout product. That's why we like to do CrossFit.
What we're doing now is we're going to wipe off the wax, and I'm going to use some Hydro Slick. So this gives a hydrophobic nature so that when water, dirt, whatever hits the actual surface, it'll just feed off. Alright guys, so this is just a comparison. So the blue tape right here splits my section to Chris's section. This is Chris, by the way. So this is my side. You can definitely see that there's a little bit of haze still in there. But then when you go over to his side, it's smooth as butter. I think it's the machines. They sabotaged my machine so it didn't work as well. And then watch. Mine definitely has a lot more haze to it than yours. So last thing real quick, we'll go ahead and we're going to use this. So kind of different. This doesn't have more steps to it, but it's a different method. So we're going to try it out. Next we're going to be using the B36. Definitely long, bro. This is beautiful. Oh my god. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this section of the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. We're going to be talking more about it when I get back to the house. So I'll see you guys then. Peace. Alright guys, we're back at the house, and first off, I want to thank all of you guys that stayed this long in the video. If you guys haven't already, definitely smash that subscribe button, join the OHANA, and if you guys like this video, definitely leave it a like and comment down below, just to reach a bigger audience and help the channel grow. I know this isn't usually the videos that I typically do, but I got this opportunity, I couldn't say no, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely want to do more of these. huge thank you and shout out to Detail Garage Las Vegas South for giving me this opportunity. And if you guys have any questions that I haven't covered or didn't cover in this video, definitely leave a comment down below and I'll try my best to explain it to you. And if I can't do it well enough, then you can definitely hit up any Detail Garage and they will be more than happy to answer your question. They have over 300 locations in the US and Canada. I believe Alberta and British Columbia are the two Canadian provinces that Detail Garage is in. And I would definitely recommend to reach out to them if you guys are interested, because this class is amazing. The class I took was the basic polish and buffering. You do get a full day of being with a expert to show you hands-on. They have a mindset of teaching, not preaching, which I think is awesome, especially for enthusiasts that are in the car scene. They have a full line, anything you need. And it's just, the experience was awesome. I loved it. I'm definitely gonna go back and get some more supplies so I can do it, because seeing the difference before and then the luster after, it is amazing. That is it for this video. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys again so much for watching. And always remember, guys, always stay positive and stay true to who you are. Shoots!